today we're going to learn how to do 50-50s on this ledge right here. Also, we're going to be looking at backside and frontside 50-50s today. Well, what is a 50-50? 50-50 is the grind on your skateboard where you're hitting both trucks on the feature, the ledge or the rail, whatever it is. If both your trucks are on there, that's a 50-50. First thing you want to have in the forefront of your mind is that you're going to need a good ollie to get up the ledge or whatever it is that you're trying to 50-50. So starting with a good ollie always makes a difference. And like I said before, the 50-50 is going to be getting both of these trucks onto the feature. If the ledge or the rail is in front of you when you approach it, it's front side 50-50. If it's behind you when you approach the feature, it's back side 50-50. First thing, you approach, you want to be coming at the ledge at about a 20-degree angle. Because too steep an angle like that, and you'll most likely miss the ledge. And if you're too parallel, you can risk completely missing the ledge and falling off, or overshooting and landing right there. And once you pop your ollie, you're going to do a very slight turn, so either a front side turn or a backside turn, to make sure that your trucks are in line with the ledge when you come back down and lock in nicely. You're going to keep your legs a little bit bent on the way through the ledge, sort of looking towards the end, turn out a little bit and then just allow the board to naturally come off the ledge.